Hi fam, we're Lily.
You're tuned into
Easy Rock. Three, two,
one.
Hindi naman totoo yun.
Depend.
That's my natural state.
Paano mo ka?
Aaron.
Ako, Me.
Yeah, let's see. May foods.
Puts na dyan.
Wow.
Ito.
One, three, two, one.
Ako. Sino ba?
Ako?
Oh, hindi ko alam eh. Ito.
Hirap eh. It's a toss-up.
Kami ni Aaron.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sarap matulog eh.
3, 2, 1. Three, two, one.
Ezra.
Ako ba? Ezra.
Hindi, ito. Mas story ka rin eh.
Sorry ako
din.
kung saan.
Wala, absent eh.
Wala eh.
Joke.
Three, two,
Two, one.
Wala. Three, two, one.
Salita para ano. Balance.
Balance lang.
Three, two, one.
Ikaw na.
Ikaw na, para
Vocalista.
Three,
3, 2, 1.
Ako na.
Ikaw na.
Oy, inuman tayo.
Actually, hindi siya kasi hindi siya umiinom eh. So, yung madali siguro ito. Ay, ikaw ba?
Malakas ako.
Hindi ba si JR?
Damay pa.
Hey guys, if you want to know about our band, just follow us on our social media accounts. It's Lily Music. Sa lahat po ng social media accounts namin yan. And of course, stream and support our new single, Osa, sa lahat ng digital music platforms. Remember someone today with Lily.
Bye, fam!
Hey, thanks for watching. For more exclusive videos and artist interviews,
You can check out all our videos by clicking here.
and don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts too. Links are in the description below.